as we develop more understanding of how the brain works, we're going to radically change our view of how people work, and that's going to change the humanities. We saw that once about 100 years ago. With the development of psychoanalysis, even though there was a lot of nonsense combined with some real insights, that changed the way people thought about people. We accepted that we have all sorts of unconscious motivations. We accepted that we use all sorts of analogies to do things rather than just reasoning. We basically accepted we were much less rational than we thought. This is an even bigger change that's going to happen, because up until now, most people, including in the humanities, have thought that we sort of reason using something like logic. We're rational beings. We're not. We're great big analogy machines. We work by seeing analogies. Analogies not just with one thing, but with lots of things. And so that changes what you think of as the nature of a person. We're analogy machines rather than reasoning machines. We've got a thin layer of reasoning on the top, and that's very important for doing things like mathematics. Without the reasoning on top, you couldn't have bank accounts and things. But we basically use analogies to think.